Hey, this is Kit.
And this is Hans.
And this is
The Chocolate Break. Well, that was nice having you open the show this time. Yeah, go for it. You're on a roll.
Okay, so this is the chocolate break, and we are going to do eating of chocolate lava.
Lava.
It says it's a dark truffle with a melting center coated with milk chocolate. I don't know what that means.
Sounds messy.
Kinda does. Looks like it's got a layer of gooey and a layer of fluff.
Well,
let's do it. What is that?
I believe that's our neighbor pulling their barbecue out in order to barbecue late in the evening.
We like to do that.
Yeah. You see, friends, this is late at night. We eat chocolate.
Well, we have to eat it late at night. Otherwise, the kids would be all up in our business.
But it's kind of a...
Going, please.
You know, true. But it's a late night chocolate. Whoa. Whoa. That looks like a couch. Flip it over.
Kinda.
Whoa. I see that shade on the...
Like right in the little center.
Yeah, that kind of has that shade of this is old chocolate, but I don't think it is.
Old chocolate?
Mm-hmm. Old chocolate kind of gets a white powder to it, but I don't think it's got it. This was from Canada.
November 30th of 18.
Okay, that's why it's not old chocolate.
Because it's not technically expired.
That's right. And it's not, and it's from Canada, because Canada, I'm sorry.
Beautiful.
Canada is the most beautiful place in the universe.
They're so nice there.
They are. And it's so accessible. I mean, it's only 2 hours away. Quick, considering, I mean, Mexico, oh my God.
Yeah, that would be really far from here. And it's always interesting to be like, oh yes, I'm leaving the country. Don't bother calling me. I'm leaving the country.
TTFN. Cheers, my love.
Cheers. Gooey fluff. It's good, but now I'm stuck on that, like, I know LINDT's not like a horrible brand, but it still almost kind of has that cheap milk chocolate taste to it.
My thought is it's very monotone. I'm not
I can't even tell there's anything inside of it. It's just all one flavor.
Sugar. And a very small amount of chocolate flavor. Yeah, this is like mass produced.
Not handcrafted. Aren't they the ones that do the handcrafted?
Oh, that's
yeah,
like...
Look, the dude is handcrafting your chocolate.
Is that the LINDT? The LINDT?
The chocolatiers.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, I'm sorry, but this chocolatier sucks.
Oh.
Cheap. Tastes all one flavor.
No, that's the thing. You get a package, you know, and it makes it look fancy, but I mean...
It does. I mean, it's got like gold on it.
Gold leaf and everything.
A beautiful, you know, like nice picture of the molten lava cake.
It makes you feel like you're treating yourself to something fancy.
It does. It really does. But...
That's where they get you.
It's a lie.
Yep. The cake is a lie.
Yeah, no, it doesn't taste like cake at all.
Score?
1.
1.
Yeah. I'm disappointed.
I'll give it a 2. I mean, it's chocolate.
It doesn't, yeah, okay.
One of those is more than enough, though. It's just too sugary. It's like eating extremely sugary chocolate.
Which, I mean, chocolate is sugary, but it's kind of like when you go and you get like French fries, and you know, people like salt on their fries, but then you get fries sometimes and it's just like coated in salt.
I remember when I was hanging out with my buddy Tom, aka Hell Mutt, down in
if you're watching,
down in Augusta, Georgia, back in '95. We went to a Hardee's restaurant on the way out because we had to drive all the way back up here. I'd never had fast food from Hardee's. It's the only time I ever had. And I got fries and something. It was like they took an entire salt shaker and dumped it on the fries.
Ugh, not even edible.
I ate them. Hey, it was like 3 days straight of driving.
Didn't matter.
I don't really care. So we just had something that was supposed to be fancy, and we decided it just wasn't all that great. Yeah.
Let's go to the opposite end of the spectrum.
This isn't supposed to be all that great, and it really doesn't look fancy. This
It
is
does say though, product of Switzerland.
Product of Switzerland. So who knows? This could be LINDT chocolate as well. This is a Walmart Canada crispy rice. Crispy rice.
Yeah. What does the package say to you?
What does the package say to me personally? It says,
what is it whispering in your ear?
Umox.
Uma?
It's whispering to me, I'm cheap. I'm easy.
I enjoyed how they put the photo enlarge, you know.
To show texture.
It doesn't even say to show texture.
Just
it
photo
just says
enlarged.
photo enlarged.
Because the crunch, yeah, well, yeah, that'd be ridiculous if the crunchies were that big. That'd be kind of neat.
That would be kind of neat.
Yeah, I mean, it's saying, you know, hey, what do you expect from me? I'm a candy bar.
And I'm from Walmart.
I'm from Walmart. I'm a great value.
Which, though, if you think about it, again, we go to Walmart in Canada, and everybody there is driving like a Mercedes-Benz,
well,
or a Porsche,
okay, that's the Richmond
or
one.
a BMW. But you go to Walmart here in the States, and you get the exact opposite.
Yeah, but what about the sketchy Walmart we went to in Vancouver? Was that the one in Delta?
I don't remember.
We went to another one, and it was definitely not the same.
No, I mean,
animal.
it wasn't as nice, but it was still nicer than any of the Walmarts that I've ever been to here in the States.
True.
Ever.
Yeah, that place, I mean, you almost feel like you need to dress up for the Walmart in Richmond. Because, yeah, we've seen, Ferraris and lots of
Tesla.
Like, literally one visit we went, like last month, there was like 3 Teslas that we saw at Walmart.
Yeah, and one really, really nice Ferrari.
My sister said she saw a Bugatti there. It's just
That's like crazy.
Lots of Porsches.
Yeah, lots of Porsches, lots of Beamers. It's a popular place to be.
I guess so. Well, people are cheap. You gotta be cheap if you're gonna afford that.
I was gonna say, if you can afford a car that expensive, you have to be cheap with everything.
Now, does it say anything on
It
top?
looks like it has butterflies on it, but I don't think that's what they are.
Oh,
I think it's just like little design. But you can see they're actually pretty big pieces of crisp.
I like decently sized crisps. It's the right way to go. Okay, back a little bit. By the sword of Kalas. Crisp! So, perfect. Look at that. I only made one cut, and Kalas did that.
Yeah, Kalas.
It was Kalas!
It was the power of Kalas.
I saw Kalas.
You did? Where? Was he sitting on the chocolate?
He is the chocolate.
He is the chocolate.
From
I don't know if
Walmart.
I'm into that. That's kind of weird.
Kalas is the chocolate from Walmart. Very sorry. I am not going to Stovacor. I'm an ignorant patak.
Yeah.
Kapla! Are we turning into chocolate snobs?
No, probably not.
Are we in denial?
Probably. It's okay.
Yeah.
It might sound a little crazy, but I do like this chocolate a little better than the Lindt chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's not just... Like, I feel like I could go into a sugar coma if I ate
This
any
is
more
not
of the
as
Lindt
sweet.
chocolate.
This is totally not as sweet.
And I like that the puffs aren't overpowering with flavor like the other one was.
From last week.
These are, yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's not bad. Those are definitely rice puffs, too. Score?
2.5.
I'm leaning in the same direction. Although, I'm going to give it a 2, because I'm getting, with this kind of chocolate, because it has, it's leaning towards that Palmer's kind of hit.
Yeah,
Palmer's
it's
is
not
cheap
quite,
chocolate.
Not quite. It's like one step above that.
Yeah, but it has something in it. I don't know what, but before it like leaves my palate, it makes my throat slightly tingly sore.
Maybe you're allergic to something.
I'll put the chocolate away now. You're hurting its feelings.
I'm hurting its feelings, so then it's a little sensitive.
Sensitive chocolate. All right, well. Cool.
Another one in the book.
Another one. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Right.
That's right.
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 All right.
Okay.
Cool. Hi. Bye.
This has been Kit.
Oh, and this has been Hans. Still it's Hans.
Yeah.
Still it's Kit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Until next time. I have a good one. Bye.